Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. I am also fine. I am Muhammad Imtiaz Hussain, teacher of class 4. Welcome you to today's class. Today we will learn division chapter. That part already we have learned in the first term exam. This is the repeat chapter. We will solve it again. So in this chapter we will solve 3 word problem and 1 creative math. So take your book in front of you and take your copy. When we will declare the math, try to solve it before me. Okay? So its page number is 57 and we will solve number 4, 6 and 8. And on creative math, it is related with number 9. The quotient become 3, remainder is 10. When we divide a certain number by 34, what is the number? This is question. We need to solve it. So look, when we divide a certain number by 34, that means if the certain number I don't know what is it, we have to divide it by 34. We have to divide it by 34. Now quotient become what? 3. Remainder is 10. So this is remainder, this is quotient and this is divisor. We have to find out this certain number. Am I right? What is this? What is this number? This is dividend. You are right. This dividend we have to find out. So we know the formula for finding dividend. Okay? And look, this is divisor, this is quotient, this is remainder. So we can write solution for this math. Remainder is 10. Quotient is 3. Remainder is 10. And divisor is 34. We need to find out dividend. Dividend equal to question mark. So we will write, we know dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. So next line, divisor is what? 34. 34 multiply quotient is 3 plus remainder. In this sentence there is 2 operations. One is multiply, another is plus or addition. So in the rules we have to do it multiplication first. So multiply this part. If we multiply, what we will get? 34 multiply 3. If you need, you can do rough work. 34 multiply 3. 3 4 is 12. 1 is carrying. 3 3 is 9. 9 and on 10. So 102. So next line, 102 plus 10 equal to 112. Answer is 112. Okay. I will repeat this math again. See, we have to write given, then we have to write first is given quotient. Quotient is 3, remainder is 10, divisor is 34. We need to find out dividend. Dividend equal to question mark. We need to put it. And we know dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. So next line, in the divisor in down we have written 34 multiply 3 plus 10. So according to the operational rules, we have to do multiplication first. If I multiply, already rough work I have shown. If I multiply, it will be 102 plus 10, then 112. Answer is 112. Okay. 6 number. Look, you want to divide 182 postcard equally among 26 people. How many postcards should we give each person? This is the question. We need to solve it. Look, how many postcards here? 182. How many people? How many people? 26 people. So we need to want to find out one person will get how many. So what should we do? Which process we need to do? Yes, we need to find out one person's postcard. So there are 6 people, we need to find out one. What should we do? Which process? Which process? Yes, you are right, divide. So the first line, what I will write the first line? Yes, solution, 26 people will get 82 postcard. So one person will get 182 divided by 26 postcard. So what will be it? We need to divide. So we will write here, then we will divide 26 divided by what? 182. I need to divide. Do you know the times table of 26? Oh, it is very difficult to memorize. I also don't know. Interesting. So what should we do? We should make it times table. Look, there is 26. I need to make it 182. 2 digit if I take, not possible to divide. Take it 3 digit. Oh, 182. How many times? How many times? Yes, we need to do the rough work. In the rough work part, what I will write? 26. It is big number, so go for 5 times. 5 6 are 30. 5 2 are 10. 130. Oh, it is not appropriate. Go for another one. 6. 6 5 are 6 6 are 36. 3 is carrying. 6 2 are 12. 6 2 are 12 and 3 15. Oh no, it is not appropriate. Go for next one. 26 multiply 7. 7 6 are 42. 4 is carrying. 7 2s are 14 and 4. Yes, 18. 118. I got. So what will be here? 7. Upper of 7, 2 we will write 7. So 1 8 2. Yes, 0. I got 7. So each person will get 7 postcard. Answer 7 postcard. Have you understood? Yes, I am repeating you again. After reading this question, we confirm that we need to do the division. So how we will arrange the sentence? First we will write 26 people will get 182 postcard. Second line I have written, so one person will get 182 divided by 26 postcard. So equal to 7. Where I got? We need to do the raw work, or you will write here, then you will do. Then answer is 7 postcard. Okay. Number 8, we will solve it. a wire of length 1716 meter is divided into 78 equal parts. What is the length of each part? Listen to me. Each part means what? Each part means one part. So 78 parts total length has been given. We need to find out one part. So what should we do? Which process we need to do? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Among them, which operation we will do? Yes, we will do division. We will do division. So make sentence. How we will write the first line? Listen to me. Look, solution. Then the length of 78 equal part is 1716 meter. So the length of one equal part is 1716 divided by 78. We need to divide it. Go for our work. You will write here, then we will write 78 divided by 1716. How many times it will go? 2 digit, we will take 2 digit. Not possible, it is 17. It is smaller. Then go for next one. Yes, it's become bigger. 171. So, do you know the times table of 78? No, it is not possible to memorize. Yes, it is possible if you try, but I don't have enough time to memorize. But I will make the times table. Okay, 78 go for 2 times. 1 time no need to multiply. 2 8 2 is 16. Then 7 2 is 14. 14 and on 15. It is not. Go for 78. Go for 3 times. 3 8 is 24. In your hand how many? 2. 7 3 is 21 and 2 23. Oh, it is bigger. So go for 2 times. 156. Subtract it. Now subtract it. 6 5 1. Oh, it is again same times, 2 times. So 156. So we got without any remainder the question. So this is 22 meter. So answer will be 22 meter. Have understood? It's very easy. So a wire, do you know wire? Yes, cable. A wire of length 176 meter and is divided into 78 equal parts. What is the length of each part? So I have written the length of 78 equal part is what? 1716. Then second line I have written the length of one equal part is 1716 divided by 78. Then rubber, then I got the answer. Yes, good. Thank you. See, now we will solve creative math. On creative math we will solve it now. And for solving creative math, we must read the creative math carefully, especially its stem. Then question. So see this creative math. The stem is price of 85 kg of rice is taka 2295 taka. So first question, what is the price of 1 kg of rice? Second question, what is the price of 15 kg of rice? Third question, if the total price of rice is 3910 taka, what will be the price of 1 kg of rice? Look, this question you will read at least 3 times. Then you will go for solution. So, first question solution. See again this first question and relate with the STEM. STEM is telling price of 85 kg of rice is 2295 taka. So we need to find out price of 1 kg of rice. Yes, solution. Price of 85 kg of rice is taka 2295. So price of 1 kg of rice is taka 2295 divided by 85. So this one will go for raw work, or we will write here. Okay, here, so we will divide 85 divided by 2295. So we know this is the big number. We have to go for raw work. In the raw work, so you have to give a straight line, then we will do raw work 85. So 2 digit not possible, 3 digit yes, 229. So go for 2 times. How many times? What will be here? 0, then 10, then 1 is carrying 170. 170. So go for next one. 85 gun 3, multiply 3. 3 5 za 15, 3 8 za 24, and 1 26. Oh, it is bigger. So we have to take this one. 2 times it will go. So 170. Subtract it 9. Then go for subtract. It is 12. 2 become 12 minus 7. It become 5. So bring down 5. So it is big number. So go for big multiplication. 85 multiply 3 already done. It is go for big. Okay, 7 I need to go. 7 5 ja 35. 3 is carrying. 8 7 ja 56, and 3 59. Oh yes, it is appropriate. So it is 7. So 595. So it become 27. The question become 27. This 27 is the answer of this one. So the price of 1 kg of rice is 27 taka. This is answer. We must write answer in proper place. Now, what is the price of 15 kg of rice? Already we got the price of 1 kg of rice. What is the price of 1 kg of rice? Yes, 27. So we will write price of 1 kg of rice is 27 taka. So price of 15 kg of rice, what should we do? Multiply or divide? Yes, multiply. Price of 15 kg. 1 kg is given. We need to find out 15 kg of rice. So 27 multiply 15. Yes. Now it's a big number. We need to do raw work, or we will write here. So 27 multiply 15. So 5 7 ja 35. 3 is carrying. 5 2 ja 10 and 3 35. Multiply 13. 1 step 0. 7 2. Add it 504. So answer is 405. Okay. Now C number. If the total price of rice is 3,910 taka, what will be the price of 1 kg of rice? Same process. So what was the total amount of rice? Yes, 85 kg of rice. So we will write the price of 85 kg of rice is 3,910 taka. So next line we will write, so price of 1 kg of rice, what should we do? Yes, divide. 3910 taka divided by 85. So what will be it? It is for you. Do it and tell me the answer. Do division. I have shown you earlier. What will be? What will be? What will be? Oh yes, 46 taka. 46 taka. Do it yourself this rub work. Okay, this is answer of C. So this is creative math. Like this way you have to solve the solution. Okay, I hope if you practice this one you will be benefited and you will expert in your math. Okay, now HW for you. HW number is 21. Exercise 4.5, page number 57. Do know 5 and 11, and you have to submit to us. And if you have any question, any inquiry, you can give us phone call. Any teacher will help you. Okay, thank you. Today's class is over, and next class inshallah we'll meet you together. Assalamu alaikum.